It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, it's delicious, it's delicious, baby. It's delicious, baby. Hi, guys. Welcome back to my cooking show. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hi, guys. Welcome to my cooking show. Today I'll be showing you how to roast your breadfruit on your stovetop. Now here are my breadfruit. These are Jamaican breadfruit. Here is my breadfruit. And this is how you know when your breadfruit is a good roasting breadfruit. It should have some white things on this. My grandma taught me many years ago. It should have some white little stains running on it. And that's how you know it's a good roasting breadfruit. See? Has these little white stains that comes on the breadfruit naturally. So now I'm going to show you how to prep your breadfruit for roasting. First, you're going to wash them with some cold water. You have to wash your breadfruit. Best to wash your breadfruit at first because I'm sure the outside is dirty. You can scrub it with something if you want to, but I'm gonna peel it. I just wanna wash it to get whatever dirt is on the outside off. You can go ahead and wash it. Just wanna wash your breadfruit at first. Whatever dirt is on the outside, you get it off because you're gonna peel this breadfruit. So here I wash it. So you wash your breadfruit. You can just go ahead and get some paper towel. And you're gonna pat dry your breadfruit like this. Then you're gonna need a knife to score your breadfruit, like so. Just give it a little cross or an X, like that. Or if you want, you can just line it as how you want. You just want the skin to you just trying to break the skin to get the heat to go in the breadfruit so it roasts at a faster time on your stove top. Gonna go ahead and do the same thing. You can even do it like that if you want to. You can do it like that. You just want to get the heat in the breadfruit to go through the skin. After you do that, you're gonna grease your breadfruit. See, I'm gonna put the grease. This is just my cooking spray. You can grease it with oil if you want to. This is just easier for me. Don't grease it with butter, guys. Butter is definitely for cooking. So you're gonna just rub your breadfruit down nicely. like so. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, play with your breadfruit. She's your toy. Good girl. Now you're gonna do the same for the other one. I'm just being frivolous, guys. You're gonna spray your breadfruit. Like so. Same process. Rub her down. This baby's gonna be so good. And I'm eating it. Good girl. This is a solid breadfruit. Yeah. Rub her down. Nice and gentle. It's like brushing a hair on your pet. Good girl. So now after you rub your breadfruit with the grease all over, you're gonna go ahead and get some salt. Here's my salt. Get some salt, and you're just gonna sprinkle it all over the breadfruit, like that. All over the breadfruit. You're just gonna sprinkle the salt and rub it all over the breadfruit. You don't have to put the salt if you don't want to, but for me, I like to put the salt because I gotta get rid of this, guys. It's in my way. I like to put the salt so the salt goes in the breadfruit while it's baking, it's roasting. Now you're gonna get yourself a foil paper. In your foil paper, at this stage I think it's best to take off your glove because the salt and the grease is all over it. And now you're gonna just wrap your breadfruit like it's a Christmas gift nicely. If you're wrapping your Christmas presents nicely, you just wrap your breadfruit like that. Press it in. Press your foil paper in on the breadfruit like that. It's like you're creating a new skin for the breadfruit. After you press it in like this, then this is the bottom. You can start with that part. You put your breadfruit like that. Now I'm going to put it on my stove top. Now you're going to light your stove. Turn it all the way down. Place your breadfruit on the stove. Then you're going to turn it up. Now you're going to leave this to roast on the stove top. Then you're going to come back, turn it down again, rotate it when it's time to rotate, but it can be really hot, so you're going to get yourself a cooking glove. Then you're going to turn. You're going to turn. You're going to rotate it each time. After you finish rotating it, you turn your stove back to medium heat. So each time you're going to rotate your breadfruit or turn it around, you need to turn your stove down. See, turn it down, rotate, turn it up, and you're gonna let your breadfruit stay like that and roast for 30 minutes. Okay guys, now I'm giving you a demonstration on how to roast your breadfruit in the oven. You're gonna wrap it in the foil paper just like when you're roasting it on the stove top. Then you're going to preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Make sure your oven is at the correct temperature before you put your breadfruit in. Then you're going to place your breadfruit in the oven and let it bake for like 30 to 35 minutes. Okay guys, now here are my breadfruit roasting on the stove top. See, the foil paper holds the steam in. The foil paper is trapping the heat, so the breadfruit will cook at a faster time. And this is how you do it on your stove top, guys. You can also roast it without foil paper. Here you go, guys. Roast breadfruit on the stove top. Now I'm going to let my breadfruit cool completely before I peel it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.